Sausage! Bloody hell! I'd rather get you there safe than risk anything, so...
Oh no.
Somebody there, no lights on the car, another sausage? Dearie me, what's the matter with these drivers? I don't know.
I've got another short week next week. I'm down at Birmingham fucking Thursday. And really down to 2 weeks left.
Sorry mate, hold on. What the fuck are you doing?
Oh, it's fucking stupid
Jesus
Friday, man. I've had them all day today. Fucking idiots.
What an absolute sausage. Again. Well, thanks for the wave. Thanks for saying thank you. Christ almighty, it's the Griswolds with his Christmas tree. What a sausage. Sausage, ignorant sausage. Oh, it's months and months since I've seen you.
Yeah, exactly.
You're just a tiny little thing.
Oh yeah, and that's like I mean, you know.
She'll be nearly driving now, is she?
I wish so. I wish so, you know.
Another Deliveroo bike, pitch black, nothing on his lights wise at all. Dogs are less bother than people most of the time. Oh, silly sausage. Honestly, which I've got my dash cam.
What do you think it's when you think the great drive is he right up there?
It's not the best place to park, Pip. There's a pedestrian crossing. Bloody sausage, man. Not even a thanks I'm out. Honestly, God, see them lights there? Pedestrian crossing there. What an absolute sausage. Female sausage.